Hey Brianna, I messaged you earlier, but I wanted to shoot you this short little video and go over what I can do to help you guys. Um, I know you guys need a website rebuild, so I wanted to go over that with you, and I also wanted to go over content, backlinks, and citations with you, and just give you an idea of what that is and how I can help you get ranking up to the top of Google. And so I was looking at your website, and yeah, it definitely needs to be rebuilt. There is not a lot of pictures. You have a couple pictures on here, but there's big gaps of space on your website. Typically, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your home page to get you ranked up to the top. So yes, that's very important. Also, there's no keywords on here that's ranking you at all. We can definitely do better here. So this is your top competitor in the area, Broken Horn Incorporated, and I'm going to throw them into a tool that I use called Ahrefs. So as you can see, they don't have any power to their site, and they only have 3 backlinks linking back to them. They have 2 referring domains, and they have no organic keywords. So basically what backlinks are any website linking back to you on the web. So it looks like they only have 2 referring domains. This is any place where you can put your website at that will link back to you. And that will also help boost you up on Google. So I'm not seeing, they really don't have anything here that we could easily outrank them here. There was actually no really good competitors in the area to compare you to. So I went and pulled up somewhere in Killeen. And this was the top competitor in Killeen for fencing. This is the person at the top of Google. And so they're probably the person who's getting the most business. And so I'm going to put them here in Ahrefs. Okay, so as you can see, oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. I had to refresh the page there. Copy. Okay, so as you can see, they have a little bit more power going to their site. You can tell right here, this is the power that's going to their site. It doesn't look like they have a lot, but they have a little bit more than what anyone in this area has. They have 62 backlinks, which are links that are referring them, referring back to their website. They have 19 referring domains, 57 keywords. So anytime that somebody, what a keyword is anytime someone types in anything about fencing or the main keywords that you would put into Google that has to do with anything that has to do with fencing, the most powerful words, those are the ones that will come up. And it looks like, let's look and see what their keywords are. So most of their keywords are Premier Fence, Fence Killeen, Fence Company Killeen, So basically, I would go in and do the same thing for you guys and put in those keywords to get you to come up when someone searches for fencing in the area. So, I think that's all that I have for you. If you want, I can come over and we can discuss it further. But if you are interested or you want to have your website rebuilt, you just want to have your website rebuilt and you're not ready to do the SEO part yet, reach back out to me and let me know, and we can definitely get this done for you. Thanks, Brianna. I'll talk to you later.